Welcome, ladies.
Hey, thank you.
Dank je voor being here.
Definitely. It's always a pleasure.
Sa book Esaki sobre mawako bosta highly active. Look at the EduCampus e bosta pa es no kunosa, mayoría misa gente no te laptop mucho riba nos isla look at nos developments ng sobra. I guess it's a little bit of demotivation. Want to worry mucho más que man, and a little bit of bosta lack of kunos mesmo ainda na mesa puxa passar que tá passando so bem nem sabes por exemplo que tem les de música na casa cultura quase de basta tempo não vai ser nada do les nada tá falta de I guess a bit of both worlds but
touch base, no? Connected
Exactly.
community who
Exactly.
you were born and raised in somehow, no?
Exactly. We're missing a lot of that. So what's EduCampus?
EduCampus Aruba. Well, I think I will pass the word to
Sana.
Amber.
Sim, nós está um educational institute
Okay.
que nós tem 3 pillars de nos education, que tá a formal part, a non-formal e a informal. Então, a formal part tá guardo delivered door online system. Dus muchanan, dus ng core curriculum, you know, your po maths, po sciences, po languages, tudo que nós conhece como formal education, nanda hayan via online, and that personalized. Dus tem personal trajectory para tour estudiante. E next to that, nós tem a non-formal, lo que tature electives que nós estudamos in person. E misako hopi gente ora não entende o online learning, não tá pensa tur mucho na casita doing their own thing, pero nós tá trece tur gente junto na campus, na tur tá sinta bandi otro con little devices with their headphones, bandi otro so that na ting a social contact tambe com otro, na ting pauses together, e eri ting electives, e eri informal ta e parte di life skills for the 21st century, kuta based riba skills ikiko nang tahaya ta necessary ikiko nang kiati ng educacion. I non-formal e informal program tawaro trahaki nang na Aruba tawaro designed ku din consultasyon ku estudiante nan tambe nos yung junior design team nan bisa nos this is what we want, we say let's see what we can do.
That's very good to hear that it was made here untuk kuno buno tagar un sistema di outro full assim na
e dor ku foral paso Bosa programa ta bing fei merka dus ting hopi kostan kunan tahaya inang ku noting di Aruba muchanan no tahaya bijvoorbeeld cultural heritage dus parte di EduCampus ta mandatory kultur mucha ta pasa Aruba certification program para siya overina mesong kultura anto parte ng gaps ng nos ta purba yena in person.
Okay. What is this di undo ela bini ku de repente ideia que I think everything is a process, of course, but
Mita kere nos founder ta ating asina hopi great ideas e het interesse jullie so mestos ela wak eigenlijk unda educação mino que bisa ta falhando pero ta lagando mucho atrás na Aruba si bonota average dus si bota miho of pio ku average bota by sufri ding school
For sure.
anto nos quiera kind of fix essay para make sure que tur mucha tem bom experiência na escola e Djis passou portava ta zwak tem algo bota sterk tem algo no que men ku escola messages lagabo pa bom mês e eigenlijk ela começa na januari 2020 net pro me covid ahead dus net nos pora eigenlijk trial e sistema passou toch nos ta ting e online system dus nos mucha nang gewoon sigi ko na escola
fell in place.
Yeah.
Good, though. That's good, though.
Yeah.
But y'all got a lot of kids already?
Nós
Of course, como se traga o sistema?
Nós temos muchanan que tá fully online, que não tá bem escola at all, e nós temos o que nós chama hybrid students, que tá bem escola, então trabalha na escola. E starting a escolar nova, nós também tem 180 estudantes, segundo. Sim, nós cresce hobby, segundo a passar nós tem 100 ongeveer, dus pero door ku hobby gente a wak com eta traha e com hobby e mucha nanta custa bij school. Hobby gente a começa a punta erover to the point que eigenlijk nós mas era sera inscription, mas nós quer deliver a maximum experience para mucha nan nós tem. Então se nós toma mais que nós capacidade, e também quita for de isso nan nós tem, cabe esse nós não quer tampouco.
Interesting. So I'm following the developments não como que vai muito bem, course não whatever, pero por exemplo, quando eu tô passando com escola agora aqui, então I don't know, of course, que eu tô passando internamente e banda, pero poderia parar mais e mais tempo de passa com Está mais about system, placa, etc. E menos about, como nós também guia emocional que nós temos, me vou para mim mesmo. Ora quando eu vou à escola, me tá se falta de gente, não diz hala minha orelha para mim, mas me tá um pouco mal muito ouvido. Mas diz hala minha orelha para mim, mas diz mas se quer para mim compreender para Kiko me tá na escola. Kiko que é assim. Você aqui tu história me volve ter sete lá tipo so eta mas papel mas vai em escola na seca colégio. Vai me será um papel. Então me será eigenlijk recitar um poema e mas decidi de tomar a oportunidade de contar a história e papel que muchanan e papel que maestro não também. Também. So não estou querendo agora diz muito maestro não também eu tenho como né viajar. E uma vez na você me tocou me 16 anos e long story short mi mentor supose a palavra mentor ou seja é tempo aí boto pensar mentor boto mi mentor tá lá tudo muito na sala de classe tá lá a minha atrás né bem que me rato então quando me sinto síndrome como eu rato tá puntrame que acho que vida você tá com minuto é tempo aí honestly I was not interested me não tá interessado me tá bem me tá assim me tá tem bom ponto na para mim não tá engaged den lo que den escola den ensina
de matéria
sim correto eu pensei me tô bota skibi e escreve que boca acho que vou pedir não me que skibi me que tra música me que assim arte ela diz vira o que me também tem que profane tem menor de idade que dentro
sim
pero não tá tem piedade com minha vida tem 16 anos que men ela lá televisão não sai nenhum de Esaki pero com coisa de maneira não sai de Esaki que men não tá bem assim não tá que bravo de momento me diz maneira okay
me te quero tem falta de not really leadership tem nagagranal pero de motivators de inspirators de leaders nang kuta ponebo question ponebo reflect e kunota bingko nang biases in nang sense of kiko the good or wrong of nang misung kind of like ano Esakita lo que apotin ko by to be able to the success mane recipe mane nang tabisa because bo escucha e storia é redundante e lo que ma bing descobri después de kind of for the first time echt engaged in school mesmo com school bota ora como by art school for the first time nanta puntrami to be critical to ask questions to see something from different angles to not try to abide or copy certain ways of doing or patterns pero to find your own agency for the first time nanto dunabo creative empowerment anto bramita sinti ko that cannot be happening now ding 2022 onda ko we are still in an educational system ko tahopi outdated ko nota in connection with the world and how the world works e bosa mitata ting luck ko mitata ting un tata creativo ko atuma a leap of faith ay ko bosa whatever gewoon sordo siya kung mudo e follow the heart.
Yes.
You know what I mean? And o alite ding birrando e autor di su vida, scrivendo con e chiar storia di su vida tanto e la gewoon finds a purpose which is to create music. Point. And regardless what I have to do, how I have to adapt, regardless where I want to make the music, I will be trusting that this is my purpose and I will act accordingly but acting sigung kiko bo authentic expression and the ora but act sigung bo authentic expression there's no BS you know what I mean this is who I am amita para pe and I want to empower you to look for who you are know thyself like you said ito kung law un principle of life
na mentor by the way agora que me guardo pagar para skibi so like that posa antes de comigo sa abada docente que me bota deal que sei me te supone hopi ku botin ku dil ko hopi mucha que men combo ta
Not quite. Me actually nota being the own teaching background.
Oh, okay.
E eigenlijk met een tiki is ko e palabra teacher. Então nós tinha sei na escola kaba ku eigenlijk nós noting teachers, nós ting program managers, nós ting coach, nós ting experts. Even then it's a little tricky. Nós ta constantly purbando die hanga titles that work ku noting un connotation attached to it. So eigenlijk my previous role na EduCampus mes tauta coordinator, which kabating orba bisa say na Aruba na tamane coordinator ng school eta 13 bias ko ne, which is algo ko eigenlijk nos ta purbando di fight, pero ami being fe communications background e door ko mit yung media background tambe, e founder de school staff apuntrami pahasi algo pa media literacy week. Eri asina mi a komisa duna e elective e a womita involved tambe ko e otro parts of the curriculum, pero nos noting echt formal teachers mane classic schools ting nang asina nos ting hobby points of contact e eigenlijk vooral conosco nos chiarpa e muchanan e staff e team nos te me eigenlijk ta at the same level so meet up asta de milas meet up pusha e muchanan to say what they think anto team yaha asta meet up purba trick them mit a bisa ng algo kumisata fout pa mi wak pa mi track nang pa mane eigenlijk habri ng boka ato bisa mi kumita fout pa wak pa pusha nang pananting e mondigheid e pasata mi ku etaong safe space pananta asina i pananta kenanta i mane pa bisa it's about being authentic ando mit a kere hopi hende na Aruba ti muito ko essay pa so nang alanta being pushed down dus nang ting essay ding nang pahasya ko otro ora na wa kung hende ko noting they're a little threatened by it and the essay da hobby moeilijk and that's kind of something ko no sa trabajando riba dyan na school tambe pa make sure ko emochanan sa ko they are as they are and we're not there to change them we're just there pa offer nang emiho education ko nang porhaya that fits their needs so that's what it should be right lo que nang mister di nang educacion no lo que nos tahaya nang mister sa
I gewoon guide, stimulate, open their minds to subject matters what they're passionate about. De mi caso, amita lead a fine arts department, a performing arts department to be very fair and honest. Mita sinta mita mas performing arts act really coach. I love it. Like every Tuesday morning from 8 to 10, I get to be in the body. I get to kind of look at the mirror. I get to kind of speak it into existence. What I have to perform and what is performance. Performance is not only in a theater space. It's not only in the gallery. It's in the day to day. This is a performance. You know what I mean? So make them think that there's much more to get out of art than just like for the spectacle or for entertainment. It is a way of actually reflecting upon hecho que nos da multiple, nos seeing different masquerades that we put on, you know. Now I am the professional EduCampus teacher, but then I am also Caricia Art, the artist. And then I am the project coordinator for an exhibition. And then I have to be whatever patch kumitin ko ta, and that is beautiful. Pues ay, esa ita algo ko Aruba ta ofrecebo, pues bota wardo lang ta yung multicultural spectrum and way of thinking. So it is beautiful to be able to offer that safe space. I'm more interested in what they think, what they have to say, and based upon what their needs, I design my modules, my electives.
Real quick, napohaya se gente que informação riba EduCampus quando napohaya se não passa vai se acabou so
Facebook page no so inang muchanan ta and so man actually finde I hope henda tota llega have report to nata ko muchanan and we're like no please go outside no porhaya no riba Facebook riba Instagram misako arts tambe nanting ng Facebook and Instagram page so that's always great to follow e por mandong email info@educampuslearning.org.
Mas tem algum requisito?
Just send an email and we'll make an appointment we'll have a chat. Sí.
Você tem dia com Erasmus Plus? Programa de kuta mandar po info DJ que está fall in line quase de lo que você está haciendo. Você está concentrar mais que na full europeu etc. Pero está por mim pensa para sobre bosta haya ko eventually non-formal more non-formal and informal education that by eventually kumisa toch replace
Sa. And even like after school programs, on nagubod solamente ofreciendo educación na edul group ko to suppose itahayando un high school education at the moment. But wak educación como algo continuamente onda, it doesn't matter if you're 70, 30, 35, whatever, you are able to continuously manenda bisa update po sistema. Sige downloads those plugins, sige dive deeper din mo craft din mo matter. Esa met hoping tame, no? Kaya tabira gewoon cool knowledge, tabira the new economy for the island as well, you know? Like I see it, you know?
That's
that
a good point.
What are the knowledge that we are developing? Probira echt full what brings this island also on the map. So Erasmus na met un voorbeeld, no?
Sì, so Erasmus is going on cá, para o tempo mo compreender, o Unoca Aruba tá catching up. I mean, com boa subindo com iniciativa assim aqui, this mostra these are the times we are in. It's just the times we are in. Nós não podemos ir atrás, mas se nós quer vai atrás, nós vai atrás. But for the most part, sabe que onde nós está agora aqui, nós mesmo começa a abrir nossa ideia nova, né?
For sure.
E não tá assim na stock ups, será para coisa na que quizás logo pode ajudar por assim não houve mais.
E the internet out there, mane, possibilities, services, but por download whichever module of compra module, but custa coach, but buy, but seguir su program, but quer mais maneira designed one-on-one session, you can do that too. So say the tipo de mindset que nós queremos, it's a mindset, but to generate ora que not only they're gonna thrive in whichever career path they make work for themselves, but that they will keep on thriving, you know. That's the idea.
And it's the innovation-based thinking tame ko agora aqui onderwijs da hopi gericht riba, these are the paths that people can take. Pero there's gonna be jobs aqui 20, 30 anos que não tá existia agora. Então como nós por preparar para trabalho que não tá existir, lo que nós por fazer tá duna nang el mindset, el learning, el skills and the how to acquire the skill, so that as industry develops, não por keep up com as opposed to just this is all you can do. E me te querer vooral de nos design model nós tá moving towards more and more non and informal programming, pas sobra formal education sempre tabai te, it's always going to be a part of it, but by higher access exactly, pero a maneira como bota deliver it a cambia, e sei nos por work on, e sei me sei guardo também
bota waka interesse no te assim na mais tampouco ainda que assim a maneira na nobo. What better way at mais engaging the non-formal education man me mesmo waka para mim mesmo da opi mais engaging na soul, actually on a soul level, because you can connect with people, you can connect with other people's cultures, other people's points of views, and learn from that even. So it's pretty awesome, and I applaud you ladies for the initiative and for the work. Pessoal, me lo saco, moço, me lo messe portar tem alguma resistência, pessoal. Aruba tá que da Aruba, pero tanto tempo você que puxa, você que dá assim de você best para demonstrar que por the skies and the limit, pessoal. Me tá querer também que along the way você tá basic com coisa que tá met tiki, você tá way ahead of você time, se você sabe, sei. Ora me tá pensa título na maneira innovation consultant. And coisa na maneira it's
power to the visionaries. Creating the reality we want to see.
A founder, she doesn't, eigenlijk het een leidinggevende rol, but she doesn't like being called any of those titles. So ita llama su mes innovations lead. That's her title. Ko eting riba su email. Pas ita mi nota un hoofd di school, mi nota un principal. I'm not anything. I'm an innovation leader.
We are in times of big change,
Nice.
A lot of change. We're going through a lot of change.
And it's to be alive to be.
Sim, eigenlijk se você bota
This is a nice script. I like it. I like my
se bota rice mentality, bota ali para nós temos uma posição para assim opi não somente para nós mesmos, pero para que seguro para esse negócio de bem também catch up opi mais ali and really make some change, not just talk about it, really be in positions of it. Good to go, Chief.
Awesome.
From Checkpoint Caller, we'll be right back with the second half. Don't go anywhere.
Artifacts está incluir satisfação, mais felicidade, tranquilidade e um doce sabor.
Vamos suponer hari conosquer.
Live na momento aqui na hora está.
Inspirado nos podcasts.
Certo. Yeah, technically.
So, pensei que é importante para mim nos conversar com os clientes na
Nos película.
Bom dia! Que quer?
Nós, de Djis Pa Papia.
5 anos de consistência.
Y nos vamos para Aruba porque él es de allá.
Like e subscribe. Acaba com novo.
Let's get back with second half. Kinana for the Checkpoint Color. How you doing? What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Amalia.
Amalia. And you're how old?
13.
13?
Yeah.
And you're part of EduCampus?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. How do you like it so far?
I mean, it's great.
What you been doing?
Working.
Working,
and making
learning.
art. Yeah, learning a lot of new stuff
Yeah.
actually.
Yep. And do you go to school besides EduCampus, or are you just doing EduCampus alone on the side? What do you
mean by
which
that?
school? Which school do you go?
At the campus only.
Only EduCampus.
Yeah.
Would you like to, or have you ever wondered by yourself, or have you ever gone to another school, another elementary school? And because where I'm going with this with you is, what do you feel would be better for you if you would be in EduCampus or any other regular school, and why?
I mean, I prefer at the campus because like it's very more open than other normal schools in Aruba. Because normal schools that I've went to were like more closed off and only teaching you of like 4 or 6 subjects only. But at a campus is like online, but also different activities you can do and you can choose them. So it's not like you have to do this, like you're free to do anything. So like
you don't feel pressure to
just like if you want to do that, pay up and do it.
Yeah, that's simple.
Yeah.
And how about you? What's your name?
My name is Kathleen.
Kathleen? How old are you, Kathleen?
I'm almost 17 in
Alright.
like 5 days.
Oh, in like 5 days. Okay. So that would be, then you will be
17.
17 in 5 days, because we're recording today and nobody knows when we're recording. This is going to be future in the episode. So you, as a student of EduCampus, I'm going to ask you the same question as I asked her. Would you rather be in a regular school, or would you rather be with EduCampus, and why?
I much prefer EduCampus because we're independent. We're able to work at our own pace, and like she has said, we're not like pressured to do the subjects.
Yeah.
Unlike the regular schools.
And what do you like to do?
Fine arts.
Yep.
Music.
Music, and you have a passion for fine arts? Is this something that you see yourself in the future, like what you want to?
Absolutely.
Yeah? Or you already have a little vision? What's your vision? Or what do you feel? What are your dreams in the fine arts?
Like animation. I'm doing like storytelling.
Animation's good. Animation's real good. Because I have a little brother. He's around 24, 25 right now. He's been drawing ever since he was like 14, 13. And he says he wants to do animation, but he doesn't know where to start. So what I'm doing with him is I'm trying to see if we can come up with some cartoon ideas and some things that we could work together. So if in your case, if you would want to do animation in the future, if I would call you up and be like, Kathleen, you want to do a cartoon, would it be something that you would want to do? Like animate something, or animate a cartoon, animate a world, graphic designing, explore your mind?
I would choose any of those.
Yeah. Or do you already know what you want to choose, or are you still thinking about what you're going to choose in the world of animation or in the area of animation?
The thing is, I'm planning, like I dream of like starting my own production company, so I think
You
of...
got big dreams.
Yeah.
That's good.
Ambitious, right?
Yeah, that's good. No, you have to be. You have to be. So you want to do a production company?
Yeah, so I want to do all of those.
Wow. And you want to do it here on the island, or do you want to do it abroad?
Abroad.
Yeah, where? The Netherlands. Yeah. Have you ever been to the Netherlands already, or?
No, I haven't been outside of this island.
Oh, but why do you feel you have to go to the Netherlands? It's just a feeling, or you just want to try it out?
A feeling.
It's just a feeling.
And I also want to attend the Rietveld Academy.
Good. Do not lose that passion. No matter what anybody tells you, because sometimes people say, yeah, but maybe you have to go there and you have to do that.
Some people just try to undermine your ambitions. Like, I've encountered some people being like, you can't do that, that's too much, and like,
yes,
you underestimate me.
Exactly. You shouldn't be out. If you, as long as you don't underestimate yourself, you don't have to worry about what anybody else says. Because after a while, you will notice that you will be doing what you love, and being successful at it, and just being happy. That's what matters. If it makes you happy, if that's what you want to do, who cares what anybody says? She already has a production company that she started. You like when I was your age, I wasn't even thinking production company. I was thinking, what am I gonna eat at what am I gonna eat next? You guys are like way higher here. That motivates me, because sometimes we wonder like where we want to, like, that's why you see me working with like Charles and stuff like that, to try to motivate you guys to kind of like, let's go into acting, let's do something, let's try to build this thing for the island. And but I didn't ask you that question. What do you like to do? What do you want?
Acting, art, music. I'm starting to get into coding because I saw that as an elective in the school.
What,
I was
coding?
Like, coding.
Oh.
I'm like
That's
interested
deep.
in it.
Why?
I mean, like, it's like fun because like.
But not as a profession, or just for fun?
Just for fun, like a hobby. But like, I'm gonna focus more on acting because I feel like I actually have a big passion for acting, and or music, like instruments or using my voice, because like in acting, you have to like be open to many things, because you can like, if you don't know this one, like a stuff like for example dancing, and you have to go act as a dancer, and you do not know how to dance. That would be like a block for you not to do that part. So like you should be open to many things if you want to act.
To all the multifacets of it. It's good. So you see yourself as an actress in the future?
Yeah, if that doesn't work out, well, music or any other things.
You know, how I would go about it is, if the only way it would not work out, to be really, really honest with you, is if you just gave up on it.
Yeah. Because like people's self-negativity, when they're like negative on their self, like insecure, for example, they tend to put it on you and try to bring you down and stuff like, and then you'll get that self-negativity on yourself, and you don't want to talk about it to no one, and they'll bring you down and say like, I'm not good at this, or like, I can't do this, it's too much for me. But then if you have the right people around you, you can like bring yourself back up and actually focus and say, yeah, I'm going for this, I can do this no matter what. So like, then nothing really negative can stop you.
Y'all making me feel. When I was you guys' age, I'm saying, Mom, which cornflakes? Why did you get this cornflakes and not this one? I hate you. You know what? Production company. Hey, wow, guys. But so, bringing it back to EduCampus, what's the most that you like about EduCampus so far?
Fine arts.
Fine arts?
Fine arts.
Yeah, why fine arts?
It's my favorite elective.
Yeah. Yeah, how so? Just because I know, Natusha is she's out there, so
Yeah, she's a great teacher.
Yeah. Well, you heard it in person. You're a great teacher, Natusha. So you got to start. You got to start from your student. So with performing arts, what do you like the most about it? That so far, what has impacted you the most? That you can. I know I'm asking you very deep questions. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
It's just. I'm a deep thinker.
Yes.
Yeah. You think deep around here.
Nothing wrong with that.
You have to think deep in this life. Sometimes when you think deep, some people might judge you for that, but secretly, they do admire you though. Secretly, they'd be like, why? This person is very smart, actually. I hate him, but he's smart.
I despise you, but you know what? You're smart. You're smart.
But wow, how can I be like you one day? But so you guys, do you guys feel the vibe in the EduCampus is something that you just feel that already at home? Algo como da você tá sentindo actually, and you don't feel like some days you might wake up and just be a little sad and come there. Does it take it away?
Yeah, I feel very accepted at EduCampus.
Mm-hmm.
Especially with my friends. Like I usually would just wake up every day, just really excited to just do some chaotic stuff.
What type of chaotic stuff? Just throwing paint all over the place and what? Just I can't reveal the secrets, Natusha.
No, it's nothing serious. Just like making funny jokes and stuff.
Having fun.
Yeah.
Learning and fun.
Not judging people, because like I really despise that in my friend group. If people come to judge us, I will say something back. If it's to any one of my friends, I'm like, excuse me, what? Like, I hate when people do that. It's so, you know?
She's really not afraid to say what she thinks.
Yes, I see that. That's good. You're gonna be a politician one day, maybe.
Oh no, I hate politicians.
I mean, if acting doesn't work out.
If acting doesn't work out, I have art.
Yeah. Well, she's smart though. That's good. Got the plans laid out. Well, you guys, I appreciate you guys for coming. I just wanted to give you a little space, like maybe to, what would you say to other kids that might be watching this and think, should I do this or should I not? Why should they come to a place like EduCampus, in your opinion? Like, to invite them over, if you would say, like, let's come to EduCampus. We're not gonna just bring anybody up in there, cause then you gonna beat them up.
Okay, no, I don't beat them up with words, because words are most. Why punch someone? Make them feel pain for like a second, and they'll forget about it. But words will literally make them think back on what they said. I learned from experience.
Tear down their dignity.
Wow.
The thing with fights though is like, it's better to talk than to fight, because like in a fight it's lose. Both of you are gonna get hurt.
Yeah. So you guys do get along over there, right?
Some people.
I mean, you do know in life that is also part of learning. As in, we're never ever gonna get along with everybody in our lives, but it doesn't mean that we cannot learn from it, and that's what we were talking about with the teachers. I can't say teachers, coordinate what? Mentor, coordinate this and that. Y'all should give me a paper or something.
But like, there's a saying that says the pain makes you stronger. So going through some tough things will like get you prepared for the future.
Yes.
And not really just block you and stay cornered. I mean, like, if you find something you like, go for it. Like, I don't see a problem with nothing stopping you. If it's money issues, you can try and do it yourself. You don't really need people to show you to do it. Like, you can learn from the internet.
Exactly.
Internet is like big.
I mean, the internet is vast. You gotta still watch out how you use it.
Yeah, because there's
a lot of garbage up there. Like, there's a lot of good stuff, but I believe in using the internet as intelligently as you can. And there are ways for that. I mean, you just learn from following the most trusted sources, and you just at least try to stay away from the distractions. Recently, myself, I used to use a lot of social media, and since I work in this area, I have to use a lot of social media. But now I am at a point in my life where I need to put it aside and use it only for my work, and not just use it for my life. And every single thing that I do, I gotta take a picture of it, and every single plate of food that I eat, or every single place that I go, and for everybody to know about what I do. And I mean, you guys are probably doing that now. I don't know. Oh, great, thank you.
I'm guilty of that.
The only reason I use the internet is mostly YouTube or talk to my friends.
The internet is a tool.
Yeah.
Just like this phone is a tool, just like these microphones are tools. I can grab this microphone and beat somebody up with it, or I can use it for what we're using it right now. The internet is the same thing. I can use it for bullying, for all this type of garbage that we see every day, or, like you said, really use it for the resources of educating, like getting some information. So you guys are on the good path. I am not so much proud, but I'm surprised, because I had a little bit of fear in the next generation. I'm like, please, God, may these kids, please, some hope for these kids so that they can just start being a little smart. And production company, I'm not gonna sleep tonight, because I'm gonna be thinking like, if I wish I had the idea of a production company so young. I wish you guys all the best, for real. Really, 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 really. And you guys are always welcome to come here.
That's great.
And bring the friends that you guys get along with, and just bring them up, and we can talk, and we whatever projects that you guys are busy with.
I'd be slightly worried about that.
No, man, I'm like, sure, go for it.
Yeah, from Checkpoint Color, Djis Pa Papia, nós estou pai, nós estou aqui bolso na outro cima. Follow EduCampus Facebook. Não vai pôr na description na bolsa para ainda não também, nós também cansa renda. Nós também começa a cansa renda que quando aqui para na bolsa. Não sei ainda na Mercedes aí. Peace out, everybody. Peace out.